Folks, good evening and welcome back to the channel. My name is Akanksha and this video is a little special and a little different video from what I generally put up on my channel. So recently I have bought a few things that I wanted to share it with you all, and the things that I have up with me is this. So I have bought myself an iPad and a few accessories along with the same. The reason why I have bought an iPad is two things. I wanted to edit my videos in a much better way, and that's why I thought ki isme investment karna would be a great thing. Plus I am thinking that I really want to start studying soon and pursue something else also in my life. So I have few accessories along with this, plus this video is going to be an ASMR video. So I, as an individual, I'm very fond of ASMR videos. I really like watching videos which has no sound except of those unboxing. So I have shot an unboxing video of the same and I hope you guys enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Hey folks, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, do hit the like button and please populate the comment section with your thoughts on this video, and take care of yourself, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Oops, wrong.